Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the Samsung Galaxy A56. It's got a brand new design, a bunch of cool features, and a ton of upgrades that could make it the best mid-range phone yet. So, what's so special about this phone? Let's dive in. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. Okay, let's start with the design. The Samsung Galaxy A56 5 grams is introducing a brand new look that sets it apart from the flagship Galaxy S series. But how does it look different? And the front. The display is flat with a centrally positioned camera hole, which gives it a really clean and minimal look. But check this out, the side bezels are much slimmer compared to its predecessor. Remember how thick the edges were on the Galaxy A55? That's no longer an issue with the A56. Now, let's talk about the software. Samsung is raising the bar for mid-range phones with One UI 7 right out of the box. But what exactly does that mean for users? Let's break it down. First up, we've got the M-Bar, Samsung's answer to iOS live activities. This feature will allow you to see real-time info right on your lock screen. Whether it's the song you're playing, a timer countdown, or even your running stats, you can just glance at your phone for all that info. And it gets even better, you can expand the M-Bar for more details, making it super useful. Next, let's talk about the vertical launcher drawer. This is something people have been asking for, and Samsung finally delivered. Instead of the traditional horizontal app layout, you can now scroll through your apps vertically. But if you're someone who still likes the traditional swipe-through pages design, no worries. You can switch back to that in the settings. And if you thought the icons couldn't get any better, One UI 7 brings redesigned stock icons. They're more vibrant, rounded, and overall just look more modern and fun. Plus, they're easier to distinguish, so no more squinting to find your apps. Alright, all these cool features are powered by the new Exynos 1580 chip, which comes with the Exynos 540 GPU for better graphics performance. So, what does that mean for you, the user? Well, with this chip, you're going to get smooth performance for everything you do, whether it's gaming, multitasking, or just browsing the web. Plus, the upgraded NPU neural processing unit means smarter AI features, making your phone even more intuitive and efficient. Let's talk about battery life, because that's always a big deal. Does the Galaxy A56 come with any upgrades in this department? Absolutely! The phone still packs a 5000 mAh battery, but here's the big upgrade: 45-watt fast charging. That's a major jump from the 25-watt fast charging on the Galaxy A55. With this new charging speed, you'll be able to get your phone juiced up much quicker. So if you're in a rush, you'll be back to full power in no time. So, after all that, is the Galaxy A56 really the mid-range phone to beat in 2024? I'd say yes. Between the new design, the One UI 7 features, the powerful Exynos 1580 chip, and the 45-watt fast charging, Samsung is definitely pushing the boundaries of what we expect from a mid-range device. Plus, it's the first phone to come with One UI 7 out of the box, which is a pretty big deal. With all these upgrades, this could be a game changer for the mid-range smartphone market. But what do you think? Is the Galaxy A56 worth the hype? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got plenty of more tech reviews and updates coming your way, so stay tuned. See you in the next one. Peace out.